Respect is a fundamental cornerstone of human relationships. Yet it is not something that comes naturally. It must be cultivated through deliberate actions and behaviors. People respect those who subtly yet powerfully demonstrate their value and authority in a way that feels authentic and relatable. Today, we're delving into 10 psychological tricks that will help you earn the respect of others, not through flashy displays, but through calculated and proven strategies. Each of these methods is grounded in psychology, ensuring they resonate deeply and leave a lasting impression. 1. Maintain a calm demeanor. Under pressure, staying calm in the face of challenges is a powerful way to earn respect because it demonstrates emotional resilience. When chaos erupts, most people instinctively panic or react impulsively, but those who can maintain a composed demeanor stand out as dependable and capable. For instance, in a heated argument, instead of raising your voice or letting emotions take over, respond in a measured tone. This shows that you have control over yourself and the situation, a trait that naturally commands respect. Calmness under pressure also conveys confidence and authority. People are drawn to individuals who exude steadiness because it makes them feel safe and reassured. Whether it's in a professional setting or personal interactions, being the person who remains level-headed will earn you admiration and trust. This isn't about suppressing emotions, but rather mastering them, ensuring that your reactions are intentional and aligned with your values. 2. Use silence as a tool. Silence, when used effectively, is one of the most underrated psychological tools for earning respect. While many rush to fill conversational gaps with words, the ability to sit comfortably in silence can create an aura of mystery and power. For example, during a discussion or negotiation, instead of immediately responding, pause for a moment. This brief silence can make others feel the weight of your words and anticipate your next statement, positioning you as someone whose opinions carry significance. Additionally, silence allows you to observe and process the dynamics around you. It helps you pick up on subtleties that others might miss, such as body language or tone shifts. This heightened awareness enables you to respond with precision, further solidifying your credibility. By mastering the art of silence, you convey that you don't need to constantly assert yourself verbally to prove your worth. Your presence alone is enough. 3. Display consistency in your actions. Consistency is one of the most critical yet overlooked aspects of earning respect. People lose trust and respect for those who are unpredictable or unreliable. By consistently following through on your commitments, you build a reputation as someone dependable. For example, if you promise to meet a deadline or assist a friend, ensure that you do so without excuses. Over time, this reliability forms the foundation of how others perceive you. Being consistent also applies to your values and principles. When people see that your actions align with your stated beliefs, they respect you for being authentic. Inconsistencies, on the other hand, can create doubt and undermine trust. By living in alignment with your values and maintaining a steady course in your behavior, you become someone others look up to as a role model of integrity and discipline. 4. Be unapologetically clear about your boundaries. Setting boundaries is essential for maintaining self-respect, and it also earns you respect from others. People who fail to set clear limits often find themselves being taken for granted. When you firmly and respectfully communicate what you will and will not tolerate, you demonstrate self-worth. For example, if a coworker consistently interrupts your personal time, calmly stating, "I value my personal time, so I'll be available during work hours only," establishes that boundary without hostility. The key is to set boundaries without over-explaining or apologizing. When you defend your limits excessively, it can come across as seeking validation. Instead, present your boundaries confidently and without guilt. This clarity shows that you respect yourself, which prompts others to do the same. Over time, these boundaries teach people how to interact with you in a way that fosters mutual respect. 5. Give genuine and specific compliments. Acknowledging others' strengths in a meaningful way is a subtle but effective way to earn respect. Compliments, when given authentically, show that you're observant and appreciative. For instance, instead of a generic "good job," say something like, "The way you managed that project was incredibly efficient and impressive. Your attention to detail really stood out." This specificity demonstrates that your praise is thoughtful and well-earned. However, the impact goes beyond the compliment itself. When people feel valued by you, they're more likely to reciprocate that respect. It's a psychological principle rooted in reciprocity. When someone feels uplifted by your words, they view you in a positive light. Over time, this habit of genuinely recognizing others' efforts establishes you as someone empathetic and kind, traits that naturally attract respect. 6. Master the power of delayed responses. Responding immediately to every situation can sometimes make you appear reactive or overly eager. Practicing delayed responses, on the other hand, conveys that you are thoughtful and intentional. For example, if someone asks for your opinion in a meeting, take a moment to reflect before answering. This pause signals that you're carefully considering your words, which adds weight to your response. Delayed responses also show that you're not easily swayed by urgency or pressure. It creates a sense of control and self-assurance, qualities that others admire and respect. Whether it's a personal conversation or a professional exchange, taking your time to respond thoughtfully positions you as someone who values precision and clarity. 7. Control the room with strategic eye contact. The way you use eye contact can significantly influence how others perceive you. Sustained but relaxed eye contact conveys confidence and attentiveness. For instance, during a discussion, holding someone's gaze while they speak shows that you're fully engaged. This not only makes the other person feel valued, but also positions you as someone secure and self-assured. However, the power of eye contact lies in balance. Avoid staring too intensely, as this can come across as aggressive or intimidating. Instead, periodically breaking eye contact naturally while maintaining your focus creates a comfortable dynamic. This subtle skill signals both authority and approachability, earning you respect in any interaction. 8. Subtly mirror body language. Mirroring is a psychological technique that involves subtly reflecting the other person's body language, tone, or expressions. When done naturally, this creates a sense of connection and understanding, which fosters respect. For example, if someone leans forward while speaking to you, leaning slightly forward yourself can make them feel that you're on the same wavelength. The effectiveness of mirroring lies in its subtlety. Overdoing it can make you seem insincere or manipulative. When used appropriately, however, it creates a subconscious bond, making others feel more comfortable and respected in your presence. In turn, they are more likely to view you with admiration and respect. 9. Avoid complaining or gossiping. People who frequently complain or gossip are often viewed as negative and unreliable. To earn respect, it's crucial to rise above these behaviors and focus on constructive conversations. For instance, instead of joining in on workplace gossip, redirect the discussion to a more productive topic. This shift not only sets you apart, but also positions you as someone who values integrity. Avoiding complaints doesn't mean suppressing valid concerns. It means addressing issues in a proactive and solutions-oriented way. By demonstrating that you can handle challenges maturely and professionally, you establish yourself as a leader and someone deserving of respect. 10. Speak with purpose. When you speak, ensure your words carry weight and intention. Avoid filler words like or you know, as they can undermine the impact of your message. Instead, practice speaking with clarity and conviction, whether you're sharing an idea or offering feedback. For example, instead of saying, "I think this might work," say, "I believe this is the best approach because..." This shift in language exudes confidence and credibility. Speaking with purpose doesn't mean dominating conversations. It means making your contributions count. People respect those who communicate effectively because it shows that you value their time and your own. Over time, this habit builds a reputation of thoughtfulness and authority, making others naturally inclined to respect you. If you have made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.